skies. If we dare expose our hearts, just reveal the purest thoughts, that's when strange sensations start to grow. We are not alone. You find out when you're coming.
Wakey, wakey! It's Meggs and Blakey. And well, let's just get to it today. Blacon, what's on the skillet?
We have a heaping of things on the skillet for you today, including a sweet recap of staff appreciation for dessert and... Megan, you feel that? Oh boy, here it comes. Oh, the feels!
Was immeasurable. We had teachers visiting scholars, scholars visiting teachers, love parades, videos, and so much more. We even celebrated Teachers of the Year.
Here we go. Walking up, about to ring their doorbell. They are legit because there's their sign. I know I'm at the right house. The doorbell's been rung for Elementary Teacher of the Year. Dun, dun, dun. I didn't hear any noise though. I hope they heard it. Maybe it's one. Somebody's here, y'all. Hi! Hi! You are the elementary great. Oh, so hands down many times walking up to this teacher's house. She's a lot of similarities to our elementary teacher of the year. She advocates super hard for kids. She loves them with all of her heart. Our teacher of the year, Miss Brenda Beaver.
Brenda Beaver.
Congratulations. Thank you. The whole time we like they had always been here. You couldn't tell that they were brand new because they just fit in so seamlessly. And we are honored this year to present this award to Miss Gloria Hicks.
Rookie of the year!
Oh my goodness!
So congratulations! You are amazing!
Miss you.
And we're so proud of you.
Thank you so
I know, yes. Let's get
Thank
it
you.
right.
You're rocking that hat. You get the hat like that.
Congratulations to Miss Downer, Miss Rice, Miss Griever, and our first ever Rookie of the Year, Miss Gloria.
Well deserved, teachers. And compliments to our PTF chefs who cooked up such an amazing appreciation week for our teachers and our entire SOTA staff. And you plated it with such an awesome display.
The teachers and staff really ate it up. Full bellies and full hearts. And I'm running out of puns. Send puns our way. Hit us up at communications@oneschool.net. We need some sous chefs in our kitchen.
Yeah, keep sending your distance learning pictures and videos and Walter's weekly challenges. Speaking of, we have another charge from the PE News department. PE News, what have you got?
How now, brown cow? How now, brown cow? How now, brown cow? The arsonist has oddly shaped feet. The Human Torch was denied a banquet.
We're live.
We're on. Good morning and welcome to PE News. I'm Coach JR, and with me in the field I have Coach Rush and meteorologist Coach Spencer. Meteorologist Coach Spencer, can we have an update on the weather?
Hey Coach JR, here is Florida, and here we are. As you can see, there's not a cloud in the sky, nice sunny day, high at 83, low 68.
I see you brought out your high-tech equipment there.
Oh yeah, state of the art. I don't like to use stormy clouds and raindrops, I prefer emojis. So Sunday, our weather's 70% chance of rain for Mother's Day, that's why we've got the meh face. Monday, 30% chance of rain with a high 83, that's okay. Tuesday, 0% chance of rain, I'm going for a bike ride. Thursday, 50% chance of rain, and Friday we round off the week with a 40% chance of rain. Can you believe that?
Excellent job, and thank you for that update. Now, let's head over to Coach Rush with an update on sports.
Our sports update is brought to you by our dogs. Sandy. Sandy, come here, Sandy.
Roll over. Good dog.
Hey honey, you seen our dog? What? We don't have a dog? Well, this is awkward.
Wow, aren't dogs the coolest? Well, if I wasn't allergic to dogs, I might actually have a dog. Anyways, now let's send it over to our special guest with our Walters Challenge. Man, I'm glad we have a break. I've been holding it for the past hour.
Coach, you're the special guest this week.
Wait, what?
Yeah, that's this week.
That's this week? This week's Walters Challenge. Wait. Hold on. That's better. This week's Walters Challenge is a sports challenge. We want to see how many times you can complete a particular sports skill in 1 minute. For example, how many times can you juggle a soccer ball with your feet? Or how many times can you dribble a basketball between your legs? Or even how many cartwheels you can do.
Gymnastics.
You can pick whatever sport you'd like to do, but you only have 1 minute to complete the challenge.
Yes, I love sports challenges. I'm gonna see how many I can hit in the top corners. Hope I don't hit any windows.
I'm going to do as many one-handed catches in 1 minute as I can.
Get ready, set, go.
Now we want to see the sports challenges you guys create. Be sure to post them to our PTF Facebook page. Well, that's all the time we have for PE News. Sending it back to you, Blacon Meggs.
Thank you, coaches. You're really running with this in a major league way, and we appreciate you.
Your movie submissions were a real home run.
That's a football.
Check out more here.
Ask any racer, any real racer, don't matter if you win by an inch or a mile, winning is winning. Hey, it's mine. Hey, Buck. Buck's his name? Thank you, Buck. Yes.
Love with him.
I'm not now.
Now those were the days when people knew how to be in love.
You're a masterpiece.
Time, distance, nothing could separate them because they knew it was right, it was real, it was
A movie. That's your problem. You don't want to be in love. You want to be in love in a movie. Read.
Dear Sleepless in Sun, I have never written a letter like this in my life.
That's what everybody writes at the beginning of letters to strangers.
I know that. You think I don't know that?
What about Walter?
Oh, Walter. Oh, I could give anything to marry Walter. He's unexpected. You think you can tell, but you can't. I should write something in this about magic. What if I never meet him? What if this man is my destiny and I never meet him?
Your destiny can be your doom. Look at me and Rick.
I want to meet you.
How about the top of the Empire State?
On top of the Empire State Building.
Yes, that's perfect.
Sunset, Valentine's Day.
I'll be in New York with Walter. I can squeeze it in. I'll be in New York.
Let me hear about destiny. If I hadn't married Martin, I never would have bought the house with the dead tree. On account of which I got a divorce. On account of which I hit a car and met Rick by an
Wait a minute.
race.
You never told me you got a divorce because of a dead tree.
The tree man.
You fell in love with the tree man?
I did not say love. Did I say love? This is my favorite part.
It's now or never.
Never is a frightening word.
We'd be fools to let happiness pass us by.
Winter must be cold for those with no warm memories. We've already missed the spring. Men never get this movie.
I know.
Continue to submit your weekly challenges to the PTF Facebook page for a chance to showcase your creativity and be highlighted on PE News.
As always, subscribe to this channel, do all the likes and loves, comment because we want to hear from you.
Well, it's Mother's Day tomorrow, and cheers to all you moms out there. If it weren't for you, we wouldn't be here. Hey, if you want to post a picture of you and your kiddos on our PTF Facebook page on Sunday and say, "Proud Mama, Happy Mother's Day," we'd love to see your pictures.
We pray tomorrow is a special day for you and you celebrate in the most beautiful way. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Also tomorrow
Mm-hmm.
is another special day. Our very own Debbie Kaysen is celebrating a birthday.
Happy birthday, Miss Debbie.
We love you. Well,
that's it for us today on the Skillet. From our kitchen to yours.
cheers.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.